Hello, Kaylin. Mm-hmm. How are you? I'm having fun. Are you having fun? Look over here. Hello. It's a Sunday afternoon and we are in the park. Yeah.
Now get off.
No, you have to slow down before you get off, okay? There's Kaylin trying to climb. Okay, hold on. That's your second time. Be very careful. Good job. This is a playground for toddlers. Hey, can you say hi? Can you wave, sweetie? Can you wave? Come on. Wave, wave. Come on, sweetie. She's 3.5 now. Okay, second attempt. Hello. Psst. Kaylin. Psst. Kaylin. Hi, sweetie. Be careful. Okay, just be careful. Be careful. She is getting very good there. Okay. Okay, be careful. You need some help? I'll put this down, okay?
Put me down.
Can I have the hat? Oh, thank you. Third attempt. Whoops. Slip off.
Try again.
Try it again. And hold on tight. Careful. Careful. Normally I'm there next to her, but I have to take this video, so I'm a little bit away. Be careful, sweetie. You're doing very good. Wow. Look at this. Strong, energetic, bionic. You're so good. Gotta be very careful.
Does it have a bathroom?
Okay,
But
careful.
it's okay.
Okay. Okay, you okay, sweetie?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get down for myself.
Okay. Hold on, Kayla. Are you okay with your feet?
Yeah.
Huh?
I need to get.
It's just climbing, climbing, climbing. Ready, set, go! Went so fast. Hi. Hold on, hold on, hold on. She's climbing, climbing, climbing. Wave, wave. Hi, can you wave? Hi, sweetie. Okay, hold on. Sweet. Oh, fun in the sand. Oh. Whee. Okay, you can play on the sand now. Whatever you want to play.
I will.
Wave, Kaylin, wave. Can you wave? Wave.
I'm holding her and I'm patting her on the back, trying to calm him down.
You know mine.
And then, in a loud, clear voice, he says, Mommy, stop hitting me. Oh boy.
Why you were swinging me?
Yeah, I'm swinging you.
She wants to explore. Going.
Do you see him?
Yes. I see Auntie.
Oh, poor thing. She has a cold and a cough. Oops. Say hi, Daddy. Daddy's there sitting and reading. Rest time for a few minutes. She's trying to push the swing. Oh, the toddler swing. She likes to do that with the little swings. I think she's thinking and pretending. She will say, I'll push you. There's little dolls in there. Oh, that's kind of cute. Hi, Kaylin. Hi. This is the first week of March and it's already beautiful here. It seems like we're gonna have a long summer. Sorry about that little calf. She has a cold and we forgot to bring her sand toys. Well, maybe next time. Hi, sweetie. Just exploring, going upward. Going on the opposite way of the slide. That's 2.5 to 3 years old kid does. Hmm? Well, I'm taking your picture, sweetie. Hi. She's pretending there are babies in those. Close up. Can I have your close up face?
No. You have to push the baby.
Hi, sweetie. Smiley Poo. Yeah. She's back to those little swings. She's playing tag with one of the boys in the park. Okay, careful. Careful, Kaylin. I know, be careful. Hold on tight.
It doesn't count because we're on base. You can't get in base. No. You can get in base, but you can't.
We found a playmate there, a boy.
No, that doesn't count. Because this is our base. Yeah.
You did good there, Kaylin.